Good morning students. Today I have an interesting topic for you. The name of the topic is more about sentence. As we have studied about sentence in our previous class. What is a sentence? Sentence is nothing but a group of words which gives complete meaning. So now in this class let us learn more about sentences. First, a sentence is divided into two parts. They are subject and predicate. Before knowing what is a subject and predicate, let us see the examples over here. Let us see the first example. Rajat is sitting on a chair. Anshul is reading a book. The boy is sleeping on a bed. The players entered the playground. So, here in this particular sentence, Rajat is sitting on a chair. Here in this sentence we are speaking about Rajat. So, Rajat is called the subject here. Anshul is reading a book. About whom we are talking in this sentence? We are talking about Anshul. In the similar way, the boy is sleeping on a bed. In this particular sentence, we are speaking about the boy. In this sentence, the players entered the playground. In this sentence also, we are speaking about the players. So, from these examples, we have come to know that subject is nothing but a name of a person or thing that we speak about in a sentence is called a subject. So, one thing we have to remember to say that it is a subject. Subject always comes at the beginning of the sentence. And a subject may be one word or a group of words. Now let us know about the predicate. So before going to know what is a predicate, let us see the same examples here. Rajat is sitting on a chair. So in the previous example, we have studied that Rajat is a subject. We are talking about Rajat in this particular sentence. He is sitting on a chair. Who is sitting on the chair? Rajat is sitting on the chair. So this sentence is talking about the Rajat, the subject. So in the similar way, Anshul is reading a book. So he is reading a book. Who is reading a book? Anshul is reading a book. So is reading a book is telling about the subject Anshul. So in the similar way, the boy is sleeping on a bed. So he is sleeping on a bed. Who is sleeping on a bed? The boy is sleeping on a bed. So the boy is the subject and this is the predicate. The players entered the playground. Who entered the playground? The players entered the playground. So from these examples, we come to know that the part of a sentence that tells something about the subject is called a predicate. Okay, now we have understood what is a subject and what is a predicate. Now let us divide these sentences into subject and predicate. So Rajat is sitting on a chair. So in this particular sentence we are talking about Rajat. So Rajat is a subject here. He is sitting on a chair is a predicate. And if we take the second example, Anshul is reading a book. So in this particular sentence we are talking about Anshul. So Anshul is the subject here. He is reading a book is a predicate. If we take the third example, the boy is sleeping on a bed. So in this particular sentence, what is the subject now? The boy. Very good. The boy is a subject and is sleeping on a bed is the predicate. Similarly, if we take this example, the players enter the playground. So the players is the subject and enter the playground is a predicate. So I think now just we will recap what we have learned today. Just what we have learned, just we will recap. Now subject is nothing but the name of a person or thing that tells something about in the sentence is called a subject, and predicate is nothing but the part of a sentence that tells about the subject. Okay, thank you.